Marina Aldao, Bicolandia. This is Reynard Balonzo covering Bicol for Rappler. We are in front of the Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting here in Camarines Sur in Iriga City because of the rampant reports about vote buying and election-related violence yesterday, May 9. Iriga City, along with Baaw, Nabwa, Balatan, Bato, and Bula, comprising the Rinconada, is considered the bailiwick of the ruling dynasty here in Camarines Sur, the Villapuertes. Iriga City alone has over 76,836 registered voters, effectively shaping the province's election results. We talked with mayoral candidate Attorney Piche Alfelor, and she shared that their camp has been subjected to various forms of election-related harassment and intimidation because of their vigilant reporting of vote buying and election irregularities.
Ay, ano? Kabidyo mo! Nakalive kami! Nakalive kami, kapitan! Atras mo! Kita mag-live kita sa Facebook. Lag mo! Ano? Nakalive kami! Nakalive kami! Hindi mo pag-amagin ka, de! Grabe ka mo! Grabe ka, kapitan! Ay! Sige! Banggaan mo naman! Banggaan mo lugar ninyo! Atras, attorney! Atras, attorney! Ay, grabe ka mo! Mga ililito ka mo! Grabe ka mo! Nagmamakairak kami! Tawan ninyo sa malinig na eleksyon na Iriga!
Ika, ilihiro mo na ika! Klaro po na yung intention nila is to harm us. No? Their intention is to harm us. Over the top yung reaction. Sobra sa kailangan gawin. No? Kasi kung kinausap lang kami, dalawa po kaming abogado doon. Nandun si Attorney Rico Borromeo, isang councilor. Ako po, abogado. Dalawa kami doon. So, alam namin na pag pinaalis kami, aalis din naman kami, peacefully. Wala kaming intention doon na parang, kumbaga yung DCM or whatever may gagawin kami doon. Kasi nga, sa totoo lang, we also want to protect our vote. No? Kaya, nakakagulat lang yung ganong klaseng reaction. Naakala na mamamatay na kami doon. Kasi, there is no other, I am thinking, what is their intention or purpose of detaining us? No?
The PPCRV of Iriga City reminded the public to stay vigilant and look out for such cases and highlighted that election vote buying and selling are against the law. They said that like previous elections, their organization is on the lookout for election violations and violence that are rampant in the province.
Kung alam naman natin kung karapat-dapat ito, hindi na kailangan natin bumili pa ng boto. Kailangan natin bantayan din yung ating kapwa Pilipino sapagkat unang-una, kung ikaw talaga ay nanungkulan, nagsilbi at naglingkod ka sa ating pamayanan, hindi kailangan bumili, bayaran, okay? Takutin o anumang bagay para iboto ka lamang o manatili sa isang posisyon. Hindi maraming mga leader na tayo dito sa ating bansa na hindi gumagamit noon sapagkat titingnan natin isa pong krimen, panunuhol to sa atin para iboto lamang sila at manatili sa posisyon.
Meanwhile, the Integrated Bar of the Philippines Camarines Sur chapter also issued a statement reiterating that election violence, though rampant, remain unacceptable and should not be tolerated. They call for honest and peaceful elections. Again, this is Reynard Balonzo reporting here in Iriga City, Camarines Sur, covering Bicol for Rappler.